good evening, friends. The topic of today's lecture is reforms in Indian bureaucracy. So, friends, by Indian bureaucracy we mean government workers or civil servants. As we know, government launch new initiatives and policies for the welfare of countrymen, but the role of implementing this effectively comes under bureaucrats. So let's know the roles of bureaucrats in brief. They work on public relations. They meet with the people, know the issues and solve the problems. They work on financial administration. So the pension, scholarship that is passed to the beneficiary at right time or not. Then they participate in decision making and policy making as they have more exposure to the people. So the role of bureaucrats is very important to run the policies of government. But at present we are facing several problems. The first is political interference. We have seen several issues where the civil servant had been transferred because he was not in favor of the ask of local politics. Second, generalist officers. It means good in everything but master in nothing. But we require specialized officers to take several sectors effectively and run the policies effectively. So, in my opinion, the possible reforms can be frequent training to the officers so that they can be trained on the current challenges of the country. Then, specialized officers in several sectors like infrastructure, then social, then finance, and the third would be a feedback system. We have different e-governance website, so why not a digital forum where the most upvoted feedback would be taken into consideration, either positive or negative. If it is positive, then the civil servant would be rewarded, so it will also create a level of competency in the civil servants and they will try to work better. If it is negative, then yes, the required actions will be taken to solve the issue. So in this way, if these kind of reforms is brought in, so we will be able to refine the Indian bureaucracy and run the policies of government effectively. Thank you.